Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you to see your map in Google Earth in 2D and 3D. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already signed into your Google Earth account. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Google Earth. Here I go. Now at the top you can see that search option, tap on that. Now here type the name of a place that you want to search. Tap on search. Now it is in the process, wait for a few seconds. Now as it appears at the right hand side you can see different options. Now here you can tap on 3D so that it appears in 3D. Here I go. You can see that your map has been appearing in 3D. Now again tap on 2D so it would appear in 2D. In this way, you can easily see your map in Google Earth in 2D and 3D. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified every time we post new videos. Thank you.